Hi, it's me. I'm going to take you on a tour of my local quilt shop called Bloom Fabric Art and Retreat. It's also a retreat center. This is the front windows. It's the closest one to my house. It's still a bit of a distance, but let's go in. And I will try to go much slower because I know the last time I did this, I gave you guys some things. So here we go. There's some beautiful quilts up there, and they do have an online presence. So I know you can check them out. They are in Margretville, New York. You guys are getting more clues of where I live. I do not live, though, in Margretville. I will let you know that. And some of you know where I do live. And they have notions. Look at all the yummy fabrics. I mean, really, look at this. If you all didn't keep me well stocked in fabrics, look at all this fabric I could be buying. These yummy, look at these are 108s all here, and we have Ruby Star, we have some Benartex, we have some Moda, look at these deer heads, aren't these cool? We're always looking for some more masculine quilts. So there is some fabric for that. And upstairs they have a retreat center. So they have retreats that they run as well. I hope this isn't going too fast for you guys. Now watch this. I'm going to go up there. Look at that quilt. Isn't that amazing? I love those ladies up there. It's pretty incredible. And look at this. Who knew? A bear paw quilt block turned into fishies. That's pretty cool. Here is more wildlife fabric. Look at these mushrooms. Aren't these mushrooms cool? Lots of mushrooms. And then we have some cafe up in here in this beautiful, beautiful quilt. Christmas. It's really slow today. Look at that.
We need to shut it down tonight.
Look at these modas of fabrics. Threads.
Here we go. We have a shadow.
And we have yarn. More quilts at the top. Notions. Yep, and up there, there's some of our 3-yard quilts, books. And they have a beautiful quilt right here. And we're all working on curved piecing, so this is a perfect quilt. And these would be...
Hi, I'm Katie.
And I'm Lori.
And you are the owner?
And we own Bloom.
There you go.
You can check out our store at bloomquilts.store.
Okay.
Or follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Bloom Quilts 724 because we're 724 Main Street, Margaretville.
Perfect. So you all know this is where the Pastry Queen's been today. I'll see you guys later. Take care. Bye.